Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we will discuss production planning and control, a critical function in the garment manufacturing industry. Let's begin with production planning. Production planning is the process of deciding what to produce, how much to produce, and when to produce. It ensures that production activities are carried out in a systematic and efficient manner. The key objectives of production planning are to ensure smooth production flow, to meet delivery deadlines, to optimize the use of manpower, machines, and materials. Now let's look at the key activities involved in production planning. First, order analysis, understanding order quantity, style, and delivery date. Second, scheduling, planning when each operation will take place. Third, resource allocation, assigning manpower, machines, and materials efficiently. Let's begin with target. In production, target means the planned number of units or garments that must be produced within a specific time period, such as an hour, a shift, or a full day. In the garment industry, target setting is extremely important because it gives a clear direction to the production team. Without a target, production cannot be measured or controlled effectively. Now let's understand the importance of target. First, it helps in controlling production planning. Managers can plan daily and hourly production based on the target. Second, it helps to improve efficiency. When operators know their target, they try to work more consistently and efficiently. Third, it helps to track worker performance. Supervisors can easily compare actual output with the target. Finally, it ensures on-time delivery, which is very critical in the garment industry. Now let's move to an important concept, which is the hourly production target. The formula is target equals manpower multiplied by 60 divided by SMV multiplied by efficiency, where manpower is the number of operators, SMV is the standard minute value, and efficiency is the expected performance level. For example, if manpower is 20 operators, SMV is 5 minutes, and efficiency is 70%, then the hourly target will be target equals 20 multiplied by 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 70% equals 168 pieces per hour. This means the line should produce 168 garments per hour at 70% efficiency. Now let's move to another important concept, which is capacity planning. Capacity planning is the process of determining the maximum production capability of a factory, production line, or specific section. In simple words, it answers the question, how much can we produce with the available resources? The formula for capacity is capacity equals available time divided by SMV. Let's understand this with an example. If available production time is 480 minutes and SMV is 4 minutes, then capacity equals 480 divided by 4 equals 120 pieces. This means the line can produce a maximum of 120 garments under standard conditions. Next, we will discuss work in process, commonly known as WIP. WIP refers to partially completed goods that are still in the production process. It includes materials, labor, and overhead costs that have already been applied but are not yet finished products. The main purpose of WIP control is to optimize production flow, reduce bottlenecks, minimize inventory cost, improve cash flow. Now let's understand the importance of WIP control. High WIP usually indicates production inefficiency, bottlenecks, blocked capital. On the other hand, low WIP leads to faster production cycles, better quality control, higher efficiency. Now let's discuss some key techniques for controlling WIP. First, limiting WIP, setting a maximum number of items at each stage. Second, visual systems like Kanban, using signals to control production flow. Third, focus on finishing, completing current work before starting new work. Fourth, reducing batch size, minimizing waiting time between operations. Now let's briefly understand the Kanban system. Kanban is a visual control system that helps regulate production flow. It ensures that production is based on actual demand. The main benefits of Kanban are prevention of overproduction, smooth workflow, improved line balance. Now let's look at a real garment factory example. Consider a sewing line with 30 operators, SMV 10 minutes, working time of 480 minutes. The daily capacity will be capacity equals 30 multiplied by 480 divided by 10 equals 1440 pieces per day. Now let's see the problem without WIP control. If the cutting section sends 2,000 pieces, but the sewing capacity is only 1,440 pieces, then 560 extra pieces will remain in the line as WIP. This causes bundle accumulation, operator waiting, increased bottlenecks, especially in critical operations. This situation is called high WIP with low efficiency. Now let's apply WIP control. Step 1. Set a WIP limit, for example, maximum 100 pieces per operation. Step 2. Apply FIFO, meaning first in, first out. Step 3. Balance the line by adding one operator in the bottleneck area. Step 4. Reduce batch size from 20 pieces to 10 pieces. After applying these controls, WIP reduces from 560 pieces to 150 pieces. Production flow becomes smooth, waiting time decreases, output increases from 1,300 to 1,400 pieces per day. So this clearly shows how effective WIP control improves productivity and efficiency. To conclude, production planning and WIP control are essential for maintaining smooth operations, reducing cost, and achieving production targets in the garment industry. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more professional industrial engineering content. See you in the next session.